Hi guys, the testimonials or reviews section for the flexible page builder. It consists of two tabs, settings and section content. In the settings tab, you have display section toggle, which allows you to show or hide the section from the front end. Full width toggle is used to stretch the section content from edge to edge, either to display it within the central column of your theme. Background color, image, or video allows you to make the section more unique. Section ID and section class name are used to targeting unique styling or events tracking based on your decision. Display as a slider with navigation toggle is used to turn on slider to display testimonials. That way, if the toggle is off, the testimonials will be displayed in a grid. Number of elements per row on desktop devices allows you to set number of columns of testimonials. Animation is a simple drop-down which allows you to set simple CSS animation like fading, sliding left, sliding bottom, or leave it with no animation set. Title, tag, and description under the section content tab allows you to set specific copies and headings for your section. The buttons repeater allows you to add as many buttons as you want under the testimonial section and redirect users to a specific page. That's an optional. Now, the reviews repeater, the testimonials repeater, has 5 inputs. That's basically the star rating with a 0.5 step and maximum value of 5. The date picker, if you want to specify a specific date of a review, image, author, you can also set position here, and the copy of the review. You can add as many testimonials as you want. After you're done with filling in the content, please update the page and the section will be displayed on the front end. Good luck!